Hi and welcome. In today's video, I will be cleaning two of the lesser cleaned areas of my home, my gym, and the second floor hallway. If you need some cleaning motivation to tackle a lesser clean area of your home, please stick around and watch the process and result. Having said that, let's get this done. The first area that I'm going to tackle today is my home gym. While I do vacuum it every week or two, I do not wipe down the equipment as often, so I'm going to take care of that today so that it is ready for my next workout.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking.
Why two glass cleaners? Well, because the spray-away can was almost empty when I started using it, so I came armed with a second one, a second glass cleaner. No fear, I did run out after I was finished cleaning today, and I got two more cans of the spray-away glass cleaner. It's my favorite cleaner because it's foamy, and when you spray it, it doesn't drip all over the surface that you just sprayed.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Let me take this moment to make a proper introduction. Hi, I'm T, a married mom of 5. 4 are young adults who are not in the home anymore, and we're still raising our 9-year-old who is halfway to adulthood. On this channel, you will find cleaning motivation, DIY home improvement, and room makeover videos. If this is the kind of content that you'd like to see in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do, click the notification bell.
Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
If you are a subscriber or a returning viewer, I'd like to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Your continuing support means more than you'll ever know.
Talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold I'm aware of the danger you bring to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And if the fall down is painful,
If you are enjoying this video so far, please consider giving it a big thumbs up.
there's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go. A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming, but I do it all again just to feel the thrill. There's something about you. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go. But there's something about you. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go. No. Reach for the light, to the stars. Forget where you've been, be where you are. Follow the path to your heart. It's only then you will go farther. Oh, 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 so high up in the sky, high up in the sky. Come to the stars. you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud. So loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head.
This is a glimpse of our 9-year-old's bathroom. It is the only one of 4 that I have not cleaned on camera. I'm working on an update for this room, a makeover of some kind, but I don't know exactly what to do just yet. Our son does not like all the gray paint that's all over the rest of the house, but I'm trying to figure out a way to maybe not paint the wall and leave his Minecraft curtain there because he likes that as well, but still make some kind of major impact on making over this room, so stay tuned.
All I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head.
Well, we got it done. Thank you for following along as I tackle 2 of the lesser cleaned areas in my home. If you liked this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see this kind of content in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.
Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken.